Well, it's a good question. It's an important question because it's a question that often is not asked. It's a question of developmental readiness. And that is always, from a developmental perspective, readiness is everything, and that's not being considered. The idea is the earlier the better, the more is the better, and that's not the way it is. In development, there are ages and stages and certain things that need to happen. And there's really three things that you look for in developmental readiness. Can the child hold on to you when apart? Are they deeply enough attached that they can preserve that sense of connection? Ideally, by 5 years of age, a child should have given you his heart. There should be a deep sense of emotional connection. By that time, when we study attachment, there are at least 4 different ways of holding on when physically apart. That would seem to be an age that would indicate the child can handle more and more separation. But if a child replaces you when apart, can't hold on to you when you're apart, you know that they're not ready to handle the separation involved. The second sign is whether they're able to hold on to themselves when interacting with peers. Can they handle social interaction? If a child goes to school or plays with peers and comes home with somebody else's favorite color, somebody else's laugh, taste, and clothes, then obviously there hasn't been enough individuality to develop. We forget this part. Children need enough separateness to be able to endure and hold on to themselves when with others. That's even true for us as adults. And so that's important. Thirdly, children need to be ready to be able to learn from teachers they're not attached to. When we look at these things, it becomes quite obvious that children were meant to be taught by those that they're attached to, meant to stay inside the village of attachment until there's some fruit of that attachment process. And part of the fruit, part of the growing edges, become the learning edges that are necessary to benefit from school. Curiosity when facing the unknown. Sadness when facing disappointment, because that allows us to learn from our mistakes. And mixed feelings when there is inner conflict inside. This doesn't even begin to develop until 5, 6, 7 years of age. And these are absolutely required for a child to benefit from school. If this isn't there, a child is not ready. And that's why even so many adolescents are not benefiting from school. There are so many there that are falling through the cracks, and they can only learn from those that they're attached to. So those are the 3 indicators of developmental readiness. That would totally transform our understanding of when to send a child to school.